Hello YouTube, another part of my adventures in the garage. Let me explain what happened in last video, which I wasn't aware until I finished recording. And to be honest with you, I've spoken to a good friend of mine who's a mechanic. He told me a few things which I didn't spot on. Well, rookie mistakes. About this part we fitted in. So I didn't know, didn't check. Now I know. This should be put on easily. That should go on and we should be able to spin. Remember when I used the hammer? Because it wasn't actually fitting in properly. Well, I don't know what I thought at that time. But that's not how it's supposed to be done. So now we have to remove it, and maybe we will be able to make this little hole slightly bigger, and then it will work. I need to inspect it properly. So that was my first rookie mistake. So what will happen? Let me explain what would happen. So basically what happens when the starter motor is spinning, it turns the engine on, and this wheel, once the engine is running, this should be able to stop, so it doesn't put the force onto the starter. So I think that might have happened to the previous owner. There might be something wrong with this. So we will see. We'll see if we can overcome this. So basically what we want, once the engine is running, we don't want this wheel to spin. So the magneto itself should spin, however not this one. So I'm going to remove it now. I had to get another part, so hopefully it's going to work. So I mean tool. I've ordered gear puller, so hopefully this one's going to work. I'm just going to remove it. I bought it off Amazon. I think it was 10 quid or 12 quid, so not too bad. So this one spreads quite wide. We should be able to fit it in. Okay, let's do it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we had to take out little bits from the inside to make sure it fits really well, because when I hammered it in, I didn't realize you're supposed to be able to move it over here. So that was my rookie mistake. So yeah, so we managed to take out a little bit. So now it fits okay. So if you just put it in, it's there. So a little bit of lubrication and it should be okay. So let's put this back all up together and see if it works. I also got a new battery, so that should help. And I made a proper cable for the solenoid here as well. So okay, let's focus on this. Let's close it up. Fingers crossed it's gonna work. Be careful with this, because they might want to pop out. So that should go in. So as you can see, it spins only one way and locks, so it should freely spin on this. everything fine, but I forgot about a little thingy. Wood roof key. Right, let's do it.